Hello everyone, I am Dr. Sirajul Faisi. I welcome you all in my YouTube channel. Today in this video, I am going to talk about an overview of organic reactions. So why this chapter? To understand the organic and biochemistry, it is necessary to know what occurs, why and how chemical reaction take place. We will see how reactions can be described. So friends, if you not subscribe my channel, so first you subscribe and then you can see our video. So first I will talk about kinds of organic reactions. In general, we look at what occurs and try to learn how it happens. Common patterns describe the changes. Addition reaction, two molecules combine. You see, this molecule and this molecules combine to form bromoethane. In elimination reaction, one molecule splits into two. You see, these one reactants, ethanol, and undergo reactions, it give ethylene and alkene and give these two products. Substitutions, parts from two molecule exchange. These two reactants, you see this one methane and chlorine, you see this is chloromethane and HCl. Now rearrangement reactions, a molecule undergo changes in the way its atoms are connected. This is the reactant. Now this CH3CH2 on this carbon and this hydrogen on this carbon. In acid catalysis, you see now CH3 is here CH3. So this is the rearrangement reactions. So learning check, what kind of reaction is the transformation shown below? Just think about it. Elimination reaction, rearrangement reaction, substitution reaction, addition reaction, none of this. No. This is an addition reaction. Now, how organic reaction occurs? In a clock, the hands move, but the mechanism behind the face is what causes the movement. In anorganic reactions, we see the transformation that has occurred. The mechanism describes the step behind the changes that we can observe. Reactions occur in defined state and that lead from reactant to product. So steps in mechanism. We classify the steps, types of steps in a sequence. A step involves either the formations or breaking of the covalent bond. Steps can occur individually or in combinations with other steps. When several steps occurs at the same time, they are said to be concerted, and that is very confusing word. Just remember concerted. So types of step in reaction mechanism. Bond formation or breaking can be symmetrical or unsymmetrical. Symmetrical means homolytic, unsymmetrical means heterolytic. So bond breaking, symmetrical bond breaking, formation of radical, one bonding electrons stays with each other. Just look at here, this is radical and this is unsymmetrical bond breaking, polar, two bond electrons stay with one product. This and this is negative and this is positive, cation or anion. Bond making, symmetrical bond making, radical, one bonding electron is donated by other reactants, and unsymmetrical bond making, polar, two bonding electrons are donated by one electron. Indicating steps in mechanism. Curved arrows indicate breaking and forming of bonds. Arrowhead with a half head fish hook indicate homolytic and homogenic steps called radical process. Arrowhead with a complete head indicate the heterolytic and heterogenic steps called polar process. Now radical reactions. Not as common as polar reactions, radicals react to complete electrons octet of valence shell. A radical can break bond in another molecules and abstract a partner with electrons giving substitution in the original molecules. A radical can add to an alkene to give a new radicals causing addition reactions. So red radicals, here unpaired electrons, to see substitution products radical. A unpaired electrons product radical. So steps in the radical. So steps in radical substitutions. Three types of steps: initiation, homolytic formation of two reactive species with unpaired electrons. Example, formation of chlorine atoms from Cl2 and light. In second step, propagations, reactions with molecules to generate radicals. For example, reaction of chlorine atom with methane to give a Cl and CH3. Steps in radical substitution: monochlorination of methane. See here, methane, chlorine, give chloromethane. Initiations, fragmentations and breaking of this bond, formation of radical. In propagations, CH3 Cl radicals combined with CH3 radicals and forming combined with these radicals forming a Cl and CH3 radicals, and two chlorines here again combined forming CH3Cl and this. So in termination steps, you see terminated, you see possible termination steps on this. So with excess concentration of Cl2 present, continued reaction is probable with formation of dichloro, trichloro and tetrachloromethane. Now learning check. In a radical chain reaction, what would be the best descriptions of the following reactions? The answer is terminations. So friends, hope this video will be helpful to you. If you like this video, then subscribe my channel, and thanks for watching.